In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and edit property groups in HubSpot. Property groups help you organize fields inside HubSpot, so your teams can find the right information quickly in records, forms, and reports. We'll walk through creating a new group and then editing it, keeping things simple and clear. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and log into your account. If your role involves managing data, make sure you have permission to view and edit properties. If you don't, an admin on your team can grant access. Once you're in, go to Settings by clicking the gear icon at the top of the screen. This takes you to your account's configuration area. On the left sidebar, look for Data Management, then click Properties. This is the central place where all object properties and groups live. If your account uses different objects, like contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, make sure you're viewing the correct object at the top of the page so you're working in the right area. Next, switch to the Groups tab. Here you'll see a list of existing groups for that object. To add a new one, click Create Group. You'll be prompted to type a group name. Choose a name that's clear and specific, like billing details or product usage, so teammates immediately understand what belongs there. Consistent naming helps keep your database clean, so consider following a simple convention your team agrees on. When you're happy with the name, click Save. Your new group is now available and ready for you to assign properties to it as you create or edit those fields elsewhere in the Properties tool. If you need to make a change later, editing is straightforward. In the Groups list, find the group you want to update and click Edit. You can rename it to better reflect the fields it contains, or to align with a naming standard. Keep in mind, editing a group name won't delete or change the underlying properties. It simply updates the label used to organize them. When you're done, click Save again to confirm your changes. That's it. You searched for HubSpot, logged in, opened Settings, went to Properties under Data Management, switched to the Groups tab, created a new group with a clear name, saved it, and then edited a group by renaming and saving. For best results, plan names with your team, keep them concise and intuitive, and avoid frequent renaming during active projects to reduce confusion. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in HubSpot!